What's going on, everybody? I'm just going to do a quick video of my motovlogging setup for the Icon Airflite helmet. I have the GoPro Hero 5 onto a side mount right now that is connected to the side of the helmet, and the mic adapter is kind of just zip tied on there. There's no real good way to do it, but it is secure right there. If this cable was a little longer, I could have velcroed it to the side, but it's not long enough to reach that, so I had to make do. But that cable runs to the bottom of the helmet here, which I've stuck under this little pad. Now I've run that cable up through the inside, which you can kind of see there in the back. I stuffed most of the cable like up here towards the head, because if you put it right there where the ear is, it's pretty uncomfortable. But I've just run the mic over here, and it's just kind of taped there, because yeah, high quality. There's like a little sticky piece that it's kind of stuck to, but it didn't hold on its own, so I just have tape right there now until I can get something better for it. But yeah, that's the mic setup. Now this is the actual microphone. I will link it in the description, but that's what that is. It's so far I'm liking it a lot better. It's much better quality than the Chinese thing that I had before. But yeah, this is where the GoPro is now, and I can of course set it up really any way I want, aim it how I want, and then tighten those down so they don't move. And this is it compared to my old helmet, which I had the Chinese BTS2 set up, and microphone is actually in the same spot, just down here. But yeah, it didn't have to be secured because it came with like this long piece that it kind of sticks there. This new one, however, is a lapel clip-on, so it is supposed to clip on to something, but there's nothing really to clip on right there, so I kind of had to make do. I am going to get something for that though. There is a two-sided piece of tape on the inside there that was kind of holding it up, but every time I like took the helmet off, it would fall, so it wasn't really working too well. But I put that tape there, and it's lasted several rides. So I mean, you know, sometimes it's the little things that work. But anyway, that's pretty much it. That's my little motovlogging setup. Now typically I do like chin mounts better, but because of this helmet, that wasn't really much of an option. So yeah, I do like the side mount though. It's actually working quite well. I don't really have any complaints about it. Well, that's pretty much it for the motovlogging setup. I can do an actual tutorial video on how to set everything up if you guys really want to do that. But really, after I found out the placement I wanted it really did just take like 2 or 3 minutes to set up. It wasn't hard at all. I do like this much better with the audio connected to the camera, so now every time I turn the camera on, the audio is running, unlike my old one where I had to sync it up, and that kind of caused a lot of problems, especially with editing and having a whole separate system doing the audio, because if one failed, my whole video would be messed up. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. Other than that, it's been fun.